It is said that civilization has deprived man of his love of nature, and it is only necessary to observe the small proportion of the city dwellers who delight in the out of doors life to find confirmation of this statement. Full stop. This has been spoken of many times, and as we think, and as we shall maintain, it is very unfortunate that such a state of affairs exists. Full stop. Nature is ever striving after perfection, and this is the one great lesson of life we have to learn, that the greatest happiness is to be found in the pursuit of perfection, for, as Stevenson says, it is more blessed to travel than to arrive. Full stop. All lovers of nature should read Stevenson's account of a leisurely journey through the northeast of France by canoe and on foot. Full stop. He was a lover of nature. Full stop. Being in perfect agreement with him, and wishing to emulate his example, we spent a holiday afloat in France last summer. Full stop. Close.